Okay, we're heading down to the reveal, which is the place where they're gonna, all the new, latest, greatest products.
Can't wait.
Can't wait, yeah.
Here we are at
Fun.
Salt Lake City at the Salt Palace Convention Center. And as you can see by the crowd, everyone's excited to get inside this theater where they're holding the reveal event. You can see all of the big white sheets around the outside of the room. We didn't know that when we first went, but this is where all of the different winners of the categories, all of the trailers and RVs were hidden, and they were going to drop these sheets to reveal the winners. And the event was hyped up really great and was exciting to see all the people there. As it got ready to start, they darkened the room and started to have some smoke come in and put a blue haze over the room. It was exciting to see the adventure. In fact, we even tried to do a Facebook Live and it failed. You can see they had some fun clips with movies and TV shows that they used to try to bring some excitement to the event. Rutledge Wood from the TV show Top Gear USA was the host of the reveal, and he did a great job of introducing each of the different areas. And so there were 9 different categories that you'll see here shortly on the screen that we had events categories. So it started out with action adventure, outdoor, family-friendly, van life, city escape, destination camping, team tailgate, sustainability, and so on. Here's the winner of the outdoor adventure from Sullivan. It was just a really unique trailer. It was the Sullivan Vast, and it had a slide-out kitchen. And then the winner of the family-friendly was the Jayco Eagle. I've got a link down below of a fantastic article that gives you highlights of all of these. Then the van life winner was Mod Vans, Pop Top Camper Van. It's really a unique van on the Ford chassis. The winner of the City Escape was Leisure Travel Vans Unity with the twin bed. It's a 2020 model that will be released shortly. And then the category was for, I'm not sure which category this is, destination camping. The winner was the Forest River, Riverstone, fifth wheel. And then sustainability, these are the different trailers that were up, and they had the winner be the Winnebago all-electric prototype. It's a motorhome that's runs totally on electricity. It'll only go between 85 and 125 miles right now, but it's the beginning of this. Then on the horizon, the winner was the Airstream with its smart RV, all the neat functions of it. And then this category here was team tailgating, luxury living, and this was the Newmar Super C Superstar. Huge. This is a huge RV. And then this is the final category, the tailgating, team tailgating, with this great fifth wheel with a side patio deck on it. It was a lot of fun. Anyway, this event was great. We had a good time. As I spin around the room, you can see all of the winners in the different categories as everyone leaves and begins to go out to the showroom floor to look at all of the different offerings that are available.